Guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to split, trim or cut your videos by using the CapCut app. So first of all, you need to import the video that you want to cut or split with. You have to just select and click on the add. So once you're done, you have to just click on the timeline of the video and select the section of the video that you want to trim with. Like I want to split this part of my video, so I have to just click on it in order to select the timeline. After this, you will find here an option of the split. Just click on it. I just split my video into the 5 sections. And now I have done it. I just want to cut this section of my video. You have to just click on it in order to select it, and then at the bottom menu you have to just click on the delete option. Once you click, it will done. So let me show another method to trim your videos. For this, you have to just drag the white lines that are basically the end lines of the video. Yes, this is so simple way to trim your videos by using this method as well. If you're happy with your trimming, you have to just click on the export and export your video successfully. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.